Hello guys, and welcome to Yes You Can channel. So this video is basically all about iPhone or iPad. So if your iPhone or iPad is overheating, laggy or slow, battery draining fast after iOS update to the latest firmware, then stay tuned. I've got a good solution how to fix this problem. Let's get started. I will demonstrate on my older phone on what to do. This is very effective. It works on all iPhones or iPads. So you go to settings and then you go to general. Then you have to scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Reset, and then this is the magic bit, guys. Reset all settings. You tap onto that and you let the process begin. By doing this will rebuild and resynchronize your iPhone or iPad to work accordingly. As you can see, I've got a security feature in place, so I've already done this method. It has worked for me. I'm sure it's going to work for other people as well on this community. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.